It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 21st of March. I'm Michael Groff. Sunny sky and windy conditions out there. It's a kite day today, and we'll continue with breezy weather tomorrow. But then after that, a big warming trend comes in for the rest of the week and this weekend. Get ready for the warmest temperatures we've had so far this year. By Friday and Saturday, we'll be well up into the 90s. What about some rain chances? Do we have any shot at that anytime soon, or is that going to be just about it until we get to monsoon season? Let's talk about it first. Yesterday in the valley, 75 degrees, the afternoon high. 60 was the morning low, the normal high, 79, the normal low, 55. We picked up no rain officially at Sky Harbor yesterday. There were some isolated thunderstorms across the Central and East Valley and a few raindrops in Scottsdale and up into Carefree Cave Creek yesterday afternoon. Looking outside right now here at 8:35 a.m. Sunny sky in Phoenix. We're at 59 degrees at Sky Harbor, but it's very dry. Dew point at 12, relative humidity 13%. Wind from the northwest at 13 miles per hour. We've seen some gusts well over 25 this morning. And the barometer 29.90 inches and rising. The upper air look reveals a deep trough out here across the southwest. That is moving into the plain states and going negative tilt as it does, and that's going to create quite a bit of havoc with that. Now, on the backside of that system, the pressure gradient pretty tight here over Arizona as a ridge is building in behind this system. And so that's going to cause windy conditions to continue today and into tomorrow. Here's the watch warning map. There's those wind advisories over parts of western Arizona and southeast California, including the Colorado River Valley. East of there, more wind advisories across Texas, red flag warnings as well, and flash flood watches from East Texas through Louisiana and into Mississippi. And look at this, with that negative tilt trough, we do have a risk of severe storms today. That enhanced risk, level 3 out of 5 across East Texas, western Louisiana. Could see some isolated tornadoes in that zone today as well. And then tomorrow, this is the day 2 outlook. We've got the moderate risk, level 4 out of 5, from around Lafayette, Louisiana, up toward Jackson and Hattiesburg, Mississippi. And again, there is the possibility for some tornadoes, maybe even a few significant tornadoes in that moderate and even the enhanced risk zone, and that extends into parts of Alabama as well. Right, here's a look at precipitation. This is valid through Monday morning of next week. No rain expected here in the valley, and frankly, not much to be had statewide. Maybe an isolated shower in eastern Arizona today as that trough continues to move away. But what about the rest of the week and heading into this weekend? Get ready for that warming trend. We'll talk about that right now as we get to the models. Have a look at it. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run. This is valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's that bowling ball low coming out of the southwest today, moving toward the southern plains, a big ridge behind it, and so the pressure gradient very tight here across Arizona. So what it means for us down at the surface today, sunny sky, windy conditions. It's a kite day. Northwest wind 10 to 20 miles per hour, gusts as high as 35 miles per hour possible this afternoon, maybe even stronger gusts in northern Arizona. And high temperatures today pretty close to seasonal averages. We should be in the mid to upper 70s. Tonight, clear sky, windy conditions continue overnight with lows mainly in the mid 40s to mid 50s. I expect temperatures to be a little bit chaotic with those winds continuing. North wind 10 to 20, and again, gusts as high as 30 miles per hour possible through the evening hours. And then tomorrow, sunny sky, still kind of breezy though with north wind continuing 10 to 20 miles per hour. High temperatures right around 80 degrees. All right, as we go to Wednesday, here comes that ridge. It's building in here. Highs should be in the low 80s. The sky's sunny. And then on Thursday, we're warming back up toward the mid and upper 80s. Again, sunny sky, dry air continues. Then on Friday, this could be our first 90-degree day of the season as the ridge continues here across the southwest. Sunny sky holding on. Over the weekend, troughing well to the west of us, but the ridge is still in control, at least for the day on Saturday. Some high clouds may start to come into the mix, especially by the afternoon. Highs in the lower to maybe even middle 90s here, so this is likely the warmest day of the forecast period. But then by Sunday, here comes that trough, and now we see some rain across much of California and the Sierra, maybe some high elevation snow. And this run of the GFS is even depicting a few light showers developing by the afternoon across northern Arizona. Not sure about that, but certainly possible. And we will see an increase in wind here. High temperatures still likely around 90 or maybe sneaking into the lower 90s, depending on cloud cover. Then going to next week, this is Monday the 28th. The GFS shows a fairly impressive trough coming into the western states. The main dynamic support and core of moisture here just barely to the north of us. But we could still be close enough to see some widely scattered showers here in southern Arizona, more scattered showers and some high elevation snow in the northern part of the state. But we would see windy and cooler conditions regardless if this does verify, and high temperatures likely retreating into the 70s. Of course, this is a week out, and this could and probably will change between now and then. Then as we go out 10 days, this is Wednesday the 30th. A ridge is building back in here across the southwest, and that means a warming trend. As you know, when it cools down here in late March, it does not last very long. Looking at rainfall for Phoenix, coming off of the GFS ensemble, this goes out through the 4th of April. Probably no significant precipitation to talk about anytime soon. You know, we are moving very quickly toward the dry season, our 3 driest months of the year, April, May, and June. And we have to wait all the way until the end of June or into July before we start getting into our monsoon season. Checking out temperatures off the national blend of models. Here comes the warm-up by the end of the weekend. This weekend, the NBM here has 96 degrees on Saturday, and then highs retreating into the 70s by Monday and Tuesday of next week. And that should do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. And music fans, yeah, check out my streaming station. It's called KMGX. We play a ton of music, have a lot of fun doing that. It's myself and the one and only Michelle involved in the operation of that entity. So do check it out. I'll leave a link to it in the description. And thank you so much for watching. All of your continued support, it is so greatly appreciated. You guys be safe out there today and have yourselves a terrific and windy Monday.